I'm excited to see real live for once.
Me too. All right, guys, exciting little video today. We're finally getting the RX-7 started here. So you guys voted for the parts that we put on the car. So we got the Rays Graham Lights 57 DR wheels and a KBD body kit. Get these Rays open here.
That's official right there. They pack these things like...
They're legit. Ooh.
He says, ooh.
It does look saucy.
You guys went baller, dude. You guys went
These
saucy,
are
dude.
so baller. Ooh. Yeah. What do you think? Sauce? Yeah. So we got these. We got some brand new Federal tires to go on them. Let's get the KBD open. I've never seen one of these. Let's get this thing open.
This is not a box opener. It will definitely...
What is that?
It's a...
Is that just a piece of scrap metal?
Yeah, it's a base plate for a
cart piece?
E36 cart piece. Oh, dude, there's mesh!
Yeah, that's the front bumper piece. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, this thing, it hits the sun, right? And it unfolds.
I think so. Dude.
This is the grill.
This is the weirdest, like, experience, like, coming from body kit unboxings.
Side skirt.
We gotta go put that in the sun, right?
I don't know how this works.
I think you just literally put it in the
Yeah,
sun.
you just throw it in 80 degrees and...
it opens up?
It opens up.
Is that...
Front lip. Front
that's
bumper.
the front lip?
Front lip.
Dude, this is so weird. This is so weird.
And then
Look at the bumper.
Thick, dude.
It's pretty thick.
Like, yeah, good material. We gotta
The
run it over
bumper
pickup.
is folded.
Let's put that in the sun, Josh.
So we literally just leave this sitting here for, what, 2 hours?
I thought you were supposed to
Should we read the directions?
So the direction does say you need approximately 10 to 20 heat boost or heat source.
Well, direct sunlight.
Shit, we
in
have
the
to move back to Florida because Washington doesn't have.
No, Washington has that magnifying glass heat, dude.
Oh, dude, they're not popping. I'm drinking.
No, they'll pop, dude.
They're gonna pop.
They're gonna pop.
It's gonna be like a Nicki Minaj video, dude. They're just gonna be like, fucking,
Let's mount these wheels, though. We're gonna protect these Rays wheels here. We're gonna tape the edges up. We're gonna extra lube the tires. And we're gonna get them on with no scratches. Watch.
We don't know.
We're not scratching these. It's all taped up, as you can see here, all the way around. So we'll get this on now.
Look at these fancy ass caps.
Those are so nice. These wheels are so legit. All right, now we're gonna clean it up a little bit, get the wheels on, and our KBD kit is slowly starting to come into shape. So yeah, this thing should look good in a few minutes. Got the fronts on, doing the backs now. Got the wheels on, they're looking pretty good. We're gonna go get some dinner, we're grabbing some ramen, and then we're gonna come back and put the body kit on. We're gonna go ahead and get this kit installed now. Hot as hell today. Possibly killed my fuel pump right before Pro-Am starts. Not looking good.
Up, we got it fixed. We got it. Good. It's alright, it's a hurricane, I can take it. How happy are you right now?
I'm so happy, dude. undid the fuel filter, take it down the straight, it literally feels like we picked up 50 horsepower. We're still in the game, but I just lost a lot of points in grassroots. I'm not sure how that's gonna play out, but we're in Pro-Am still, we're in Pro-Am, so. Something like that. Out here, Evergreen Drift, Pro-Am, round 3. Joseph Lynn took me out, but I'm satisfied because he is probably the best driver that is in the series. He's #1 in points and will obviously stay that way. So I gotta just give a huge shout out to Brandon Schmidt for helping me out in the pits today. He did a lot to get me going, and Torin and Paxton and like a bunch of people. It was definitely a collective effort. Yeah, it was sick. I am exhausted, and got a bunch of stuff to figure out on the car now, and yeah, it should be good as far as season points go. I'm either second, third, or fourth for the whole season. I will keep you guys updated on that whenever they post the sheet, but that's it. Round 3. Peace out.
We are now attaching the lips into the body kits, the front bumper. We are now attaching the lips to the front bumper.
It's gonna look something like that. All right, so that's done. Chow's got the corner lights. Oh, you have to drill the holes. Yeah, we'll mock this up and then we'll drill the holes. Let's just kind of visualize what it'll look like. It's pretty mint.
All right, as you guys see, the body kit is all mocked up. It is not mounted yet. We are bringing it to the paint shop tomorrow, so we have to take everything out so the painter will make it easier for him. Abracadabra. I don't know.
I like the abracadabra.
So we have all the pieces for this car. As you can see here, the back is kind of apart. And the paint guy does not want us to put it back together. The paint guy wants this all to remain off of the car so that he could paint in all of these jams and stuff, get all this orange out of here. This car miserably fails the shoe test. So when it does come back from paint, we will be putting a set of coilovers on it. Don't forget, you can enter to win this RX-7 FD. Click the link in the description.